What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back again with another video. So today I am gonna do an install. So Extreme Skins was kind enough to send me out some skins for the iPad 11 Pro edition. So I'm just gonna do an install. So I believe we're gonna do this white one so we can throw it on the back of the device, see what it looks like. And they also sent me over these two extras, as you can see, if I want to use them, which I don't at the moment. Pretty much you can go to their website and you can find any kind of skin you want. Let me type it in real quick. Extreme Skins. Okay, so here's their website. Once you're in their website, let it load. Load. Okay, so this is their website right here. As you can see here, this is their website. They have sent me some of their products before for my other devices, but pretty much this is their website, and I will have a link to the website in the description. So you want to go here and you want to do iPad skins, and once you are in there, you can hit buy now if these are skins you want to buy. But pretty much it gives you an overview of all the different skins you have. So I have the iPad 11 Pro 2021 3rd generation. So I would need to click on that, and then I would scroll until I find the skin I want to use for my iPad. But like I said, they were kind enough to send me over 3. So now we're going to install them. For this install, you will need a blow dryer so you can heat up the edges of your device, moving back and forth so you don't damage it. But this is so you can seal the skin onto your device. So this is what you get. You get the skin, you get other kind of parts. So pretty much we're just going to open this up like so. And we're going to get this installed. It did take a while for them to send this to me, so just know if you're going through Extreme Skins to have a little bit of patience on getting the product, but just know you will get the product. Here's their card. It says Extreme Skins, Precision, Style, Protection. On the back here, you can follow them. They're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can email them. They have a YouTube. So it says, thank you for your order. You're awesome. So I'm just going to set this right here. Well, I'm going to put this over here for now. They send you a cleaning cloth because you do want to wipe down your device like so. Excuse me. Don't mind my voice. I have been a little under the weather. But anyways, you just want to clean your device off like so. And once you do that, you want to just peel your skin off. So that looks like that's works. So once you get it to how you want it, excuse me, then you just place it down. Don't worry if, like I said, don't worry if the edges do not stick, because that is what we're going to use that is what the blow dryer will come in handy for. So first, let me just get done putting everything on the device. You can put your camera stickers on there if you want to. You don't have to, but if that's something you want to do, you can put them on there. And put that on there, then you do get on there. I just wanted to put it on there for the video. But pretty much that's that's what you will get. So now you want to get your blow dryer. And this is the finished product. Got a bubble. I got some bubbles in there, but those should, let's see here, maybe those will run out later on here, but pretty much this is the finished product. To me, it looks good, except for those bubbles that I have. But this is the finished product. My iPad 11 Pro has a new look to it. And I'm really digging it. I'm really liking how that new look, I'm really liking the new look of my iPad 11 Pro. So now, I'm going to show you what it looked like in a clear case, because what's the point of putting it on there if you do not have a clear case to show it off with? So first, let's put this case on here, just like that. And this is the finished product. If you put it in a clear case, that does really look good and stand out. And I really do enjoy this right now. I just need to work on getting those bubbles out of there. Those bubbles that I have. But just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.